In this video, we are going to print a specific key value from a dictionary in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Python dictionary print all values for all keys. Hit find to search all available code snippets. Now copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Now before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. This part of the code is to define two lists, keys and values, where each element in values corresponds to an element in keys. The code then uses zip function to create a list of tuples, where each tuple contains an element from keys and values. Sorted function is used to sort the list of tuples, and the group by function is then used to group the sorted list of tuples based on the second element. Let's run the code now. And you have printed specific key values from a dictionary in Python.